Do you need a reliable dumpster rental in Kansas City, Missouri? Look no further than Royal Rolloffs. From home renovations to construction sites, managing waste can be a challenge. At Royal Rolloffs, we understand the importance of efficient waste management. That's why we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to suit your needs, whether you're cleaning out your garage or overseeing a major construction project. Royal Rolloffs lets you know that your waste disposal needs are handled efficiently and responsibly. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or business owner, Royal Rolloffs has the perfect dumpster rental solution. Rest assured, we're committed to environmentally responsible waste disposal practices, ensuring your waste is disposed of safely and sustainably. Our experienced team will deliver your dumpster directly to your location, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. And when your project is complete, we'll promptly pick up the dumpster, leaving your site clean and clutter-free. Ready to experience the convenience of Royal Rolloffs for yourself? Call us today at 816-565-6462 or visit our website at www.royalrolloffs.com, Kansas City Division, to book your dumpster rental in Kansas City, Missouri. Royal Rolloffs, your trusted partner for all your waste management needs.